Hi, I am Dr. Kranti Shilpa, Gynec Consultant, Obstetrics and Gynecology, Care Hospitals, Banjara Hills. Today I will be talking about endometriosis. So what do you mean by endometriosis? It is an abnormality in which the tissue that is lining the uterus lies outside the uterus, that is on the tubes, ovaries and all in the peritoneal cavity. So depending on the extent of involvement, it is maybe mild endometriosis or severe endometriosis. If that endometrial lining, if it is there entirely in the abdominal cavity and completely obliterating the pivot, it is considered as a severe endometriosis. So what are the most commonest symptoms of endometriosis? Most of the women will present with severe lower abdominal pain. Few people may present with pain while passing motion, defecation. Few may have pain during sex, that is dyspareunia, we will call it as. So few other people may have severe irregular abnormal vaginal bleeding. Few may present with infertility, they find difficulty in conceiving on their own. So in infertility, most of this endometriosis present in the form of endometriotic cyst, and depending on the size of the cyst and if they are not responding to normal medical treatment, then you can go ahead with surgery. Otherwise, small endometriotic cysts and all, no need to go for surgery. So what is the main cause of this endometriosis? There are various theories have been proposed. In that, most accepted theory is the retrograde menstruation, in which the menstruating blood, instead of coming outside, it will go into the abdominal cavity and gets deposited on the tubes, ovaries and also intestine. Next important theory is the immunological theory, in which our body immunity fails to identify the abnormal cells in the abdominal cavity and fail to destroy it. It keeps on growing. So next commonest theory is the familial theory, in which it runs in families. If mother has an endometriosis, so the incidence of endometriosis to the children is also pretty high. So what are the risk factors of this endometriosis? Most commonest risk factor is the early menarche, that in nowadays most of the girls attain menarche before 8 years, 6 years and all. So it is one of the risk factor for endometriosis. So early menarche and late menopause. So like if you won't attain your menopause, that is stoppage of the menstruation, even if they won't attain their menopause after 50 years also, it is considered as a high risk for endometriosis. Or shorter cycle, short menstrual cycles, that is less than 21 days or something, it is one of the high risk factor. Few men will have excessive bleeding, it is one of the risk factor. So any family history, these are all the risk factors for endometriosis. So finally, endometriosis is a curable disease. To understand your course of treatment, meet a nearby gynecologist. Thank you.